Ivy-Gelin Mining Machinery Company Limited is a leading mining equipment manufacturer in China. We have rich experience in mining field for many years. We produce full sets gold mining equipments, diamond washing machine, 66% zircon ore production line, and so on. Our main products include shaking table, spiral separator, rotary scrubber trommel, jig machine, magnetic separator, high-tension electrostatic separator, draw crusher, ball mill. Our machines are popular used for separating alluvial gold, rock gold, black sand, zircon and rutile sand, chromite, tin, tungsten, iron ore, diamond, etc. We have a strong R&D department and have been cooperating with domestic and overseas scientific research institutes for many years. Our purpose is to track international new technology in time and promptly make continuous innovation in technology for manufacturing high-grade equipment. We design the equipments as per the international market request. OEM service and special customized both are welcome. We offer the following services. 1. EPC service. 2. Sample testing. 3. Mining processing flowchart design. 4. Full sets mining equipment supply. 5. OEM special customized as per request. 6. Engineers come to customer's mining site for installation and commissioning. 7. Local workers training. 8. Spare parts supply. Our faith is customer is number one. We welcome you to come to our factory for business negotiation in your free time.